It's Nick Barlow and the Bad Noise for Gigmann TV. Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, cool. This is called Take It As It Comes. As the sun begins to set, take your cards and place your bets. Who knows the face of it for the days to come? When the sun is on the rise, take a breath and free your eyes. How much did you play? How much could you avoid? Reap what we sow. Seasons come and go. Take it as it comes, as it comes. What could you have to lose in a world where you can choose anything from the blues to a happy face? Or what could you have to ask in a world ruled by cash? Anything you really need, you can have today. Reap what we sow. Seasons come and go. Pay all I owe. Take it as it comes, as it comes. We sat upon the beach, blanket wrapped with sandy feet. She said she'd marry me for the 100th time. For we have all we need, a humble home, a land of dreams. We've sown the seeds, my love, the rest is down to time. Reap what we sow. Seasons come and go. All I owe, take it as it comes.